Hi, first graders. Today is Friday, August 21st, 2020. This is our closing meeting. Today, I am going to add a little bit of ELA to our meeting. I'm also going to add a little bit of social studies quickly, and then we're going to end with our calendar time and a read aloud. Okay, boys and girls, right here I have a review of what nouns and what other things are. So we're focusing on nouns. Remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. Let me hear you say it. A noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. Two more times. A noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. One more time. A noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. Okay, here we go. I'm going to read it and then I want you to tell me if it's a noun or if it's other. Remember, you're going through in your head and you're saying, is it a person? Is it a place? Is it a thing? Is it an animal? If it's none of those, it's other. If it's one of those, it is a noun. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. What category is toothbrush going into? Yes, it is a noun. A toothbrush is a thing, so it is a noun. Okay, here we go for school. School. It is a noun, boys and girls, because it is a place. Now, boys and girls, if we had Pomeroy, if I had written Pomeroy here, that would be a proper noun because it is a name of a place. Okay, next one, red. Red, like the color red. Yes, that's other. It's called an adjective. It is a descriptive word. It's describing something. Book. Book. Book is a noun. It is a thing. Car. 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 Car is a noun. It is also a thing. It fits in the thing category. Slowly. Slowly. You're right. Slowly is other. It is an adverb. It's describing a movement. Whale. Whale. Whale is a noun. It is an animal, so it fits in the noun category. Absolutely. Fluffy. Fluffy. Fluffy is in the other category. It is an adjective. It's describing something. You'd use it to describe like somebody's jacket. She was wearing a fluffy jacket. Mall. Mall. Mall is a noun. It's a place where we can go. Absolutely. Jump. Jump. Jump is it is a verb, so it goes in the other category. It is a movement. So it is a verb. It's an action. Last one, teacher. Teacher. Teacher would be a noun, boys and girls, because it is a person. Good job. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to move my computer so you all can see my whiteboard. Now, we are going to go over some nonsense words. This is what we were doing in our small group interventions this week. Remember, when we're doing nonsense words in these three-letter words, also known as CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant, the vowel in the middle is the short sound. So I shouldn't hear you saying A, E, I, O, U. I should hear A, E, in the middle. I'm going to do the first one as an example, and then I'm going to have you help me with the rest. O, so you go and you make the individual sounds and then you blend them together. Okay, your turn. Good job. Next one. Good job. Is tin. Nice work. Must. At that. Okay, moving on. Keep up the good work. Okay, I was making sure we were saying those letters right. D, A, B. This is a D, so it goes D, D, D. This is a B, so it goes B, B, B. D, A, B. Dab. Moving on to our bottom row. Good work. Some. Good work. Whip. Nice job, boys and girls. I'm very proud of you. You did a wonderful job. Okay, I'm going to go over social studies. We have a social studies 1.02 quiz today. I saw that some of us have already taken it, but if you haven't, and even if you have, it's good to review some of the things that we have learned in our module 1.02 for social studies. Okay, I have my first question for you is a true or false question. So if you think the statement's true, put a thumbs up. If you think the statement's false, put a thumbs down. True means it's a fact. False means it is not. A good citizen respects others. A good citizen respects others. Good job. You should have a thumbs up. Absolutely. A good citizen does respect others. Okay. Now, I'm going to read my other one to you. Is it a right or a responsibility to have a good education? Is it a right or a responsibility? So you're going to say right or you're going to say responsibility. Is it a right or a responsibility to have a good education? Excuse me. It is a right. What would be your responsibility that would come with your right to a good education? Because remember, every right comes with a responsibility. Absolutely. Responsibility would be trying your best, being an engaged learner. Great work, first graders. Okay, it's calendar time, so I'm going to share my screen again. So I'm going to get that ready for us. Okay. Let's sing the months of the year. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of the year. Yeehaw! Okay, boys and girls, say it out loud. How many months are in a year? Yay! 12 months.
Yippee! It's August 2020.
Okay.
Let's make a calendar.
Okay, boys and girls, say it with me. It is August 2020. Who can tell me what month of the year August is? Yes, August is the 8th month of the year. It is the 8th out of the 12 months of the year. You're going to say the days.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Okay.
What day of the week is it today?
What day of the week is it today? Good job. It is.
Great job. Today is Friday, August 21st, 2020.
Okay, let's say it together. Today is Friday, August 21st, 2020. Now we need to fill in the missing day of the week and the missing date. So we have Thursday blank Saturday. What day is it today that needs to go in there? Great work.
Friday,
Okay, so if today is Friday, yesterday was Thursday. Good job. If today is Friday, tomorrow is great work, Saturday. Okay, yesterday was the 20th and tomorrow is the 22nd. So today is the
21st.
20th.
Great job.
Nice job. Okay, I'm going to add a birthday cake to tomorrow. Tomorrow is Manny's birthday, so say happy birthday, Manny, in the screen. Oh, I like using this one for Friday. Gives me the weekend feeling.
Goodbye.
Okay, boys and girls, we are now going to do calendar time. So with calendar time, we are just did the calendar portion, but we're now going to do the time. This is where Miss Town is going to walk us through how to tell time. So you are listening and using your eyes to see and what Miss Town is talking about.
What is the time?
Okay, boys and girls, we start by looking at the shorthand. The shorthand is our hour hand. It is between the 12 and the 1. We go to the number that it's already passed. So it's already past the 12. It hasn't passed the 1. We are in the 12 o'clock hour. We now look at our long hand. Our long hand is touching the 6. That means half of our hour has gone by. An hour, a full one, is 60 minutes. So half is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. So it's 12, 30.
All right. It is 12:30.
What is the time?
Okay, boys and girls, remember we're going to look at that hour hand. That's the shorthand. It's between two numbers again. And we go with one it's already passed. So it's past the 12, so it's in the 12 o'clock hour. Now we look at our long hand. It's touching the 6, which means we know it's been half of an hour. So it is 12:30.
Right on. It is 12:30.
What is the time?
Okay, remember we look at that shorthand, the hour hand first. It's pointing directly at the 1. So we know it is 1. The hour is 1. And our hour or minute hand, is pointing to the 12. That's our long hand. That means it's the brand new start of an hour. So it is 1 o'clock, represented by 1:00.
Awesome. It is 1 o'clock.
One o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, tick tock. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, tick tock. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, tick tock. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, tick tock.
Okay, boys and girls, that is the end of our time portion of our calendar time. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do our money portion of calendar time. So we have learned about 3 coins. We've learned about the dime, which has FDR. That's Franklin Delano Roosevelt. He was a president on the front. It has the olive branch, oak branch, and torch on the tail side, and it's silver in color and smallest in size, not worth. And what that means is that it takes 10 dimes to make $1 because it's 100 cents equals $1. So this is a dime. We've also learned about the penny. Now the penny is the smallest in value, just like the dime is the smallest in size. The penny is the smallest in value or worth. It is worth how much? 1 cent. How many pennies equals a dollar? 100 pennies equals a dollar. Who's on the penny? Abraham Lincoln. And who's on the tail side? The Lincoln Memorial. Now, boys and girls, what do we say the color of a penny is? It is copper. Good job. And we've also learned about the nickel. How much is a nickel worth? 5 cents. Now, what color is a nickel? Good job. It is silver. Who is on the nickel? Thomas Jefferson and nickel, I'm sorry. And who is on, or what is on the tail side? Yes, the Monticello. That is where Thomas Jefferson lived. So far in our piggy bank right now, we have 1 dime and we have 3 pennies representing 13 cents because each penny's worth 1 cent. So 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents. And a dime is worth 10 cents. So 10 plus 3 is 13. We have 13 cents in our piggy bank right now. But today is the 14th day of school. So what do we want to add to our piggy bank? Yes, we want to add another penny to have 14 cents in our piggy bank. So now we have 1 dime and 4 pennies, meaning we have 5 different coins in our piggy bank. 4 of them being pennies worth 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, and our dime worth 10 cents. So we have 14 cents in our piggy bank to represent the 14 days we have been in school. Great job. Okay, we're going to end this meeting with a story. And Miss Town has a very fun story she's going to read to us today. And it is The Book with No Pictures by B.J. Novak. So there are no pictures. So I'm just going to read it to you. The Book with No Pictures by B.J. Novak. This is a book with no pictures. It might seem like no fun to have someone read you a book with no pictures. It probably seems boring and serious, except here is how books work. Everything the words say, the person reading the book has to say, no matter what. That's the deal, that's the rule. So that means even if the words say, Lord, wait, what? That doesn't even mean anything. Or, wait a second, what? This isn't the kind of book I wanted to read. And I have to say every word the book says. I am a monkey who taught myself to read. Hey, I'm not a monkey. And now I'm reading you this book with my monkey mouth and my monkey voice. Oh no, that's not true. I'm not a monkey. Yes, I am a monkey. Also, I am a robot monkey. What? And my head is made of blueberry pizza. Oh, wait a second. Is this whole book a trick? Can I stop reading, please? No. Oh, man. And now it's time for me to sing you my favorite song. A song? Do I really have to sing a? Oh, no. Glug, glug, glug. My face is a bug. I eat ants for breakfast right off the rug. What? This book is ridiculous. Can I stop reading it yet? No. There are more pages. I have to read the named Boo Boo Butt. Boo Boo Butt. And also the kid I'm reading this book to is the best kid ever in the history of the entire world. Oh, really? And this kid is the smartest kid too, because this kid chose this book even though it had no pictures. Because kids know this is the book that makes grown-ups have to say silly things and make silly sounds like, oh no, here it comes. We're rocka waka baka roofa rocka do ay 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 ay. Woo! 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 Ooh! Damn! Blackety blackety glibbity globbity globbity glibbity beep beep. But on me face. Oh my goodness. Please don't ever make me read this book again. It is so silly. In fact, it is completely and utterly preposterous. Next time, please, 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 please choose a book with pictures. Please, because this is just too ridiculous to read. The end. Wait, I didn't want to say that. That is the end of our story, the book with no pictures by BJ Novak. I hope you enjoyed it. The happy weekend, happy Friday. If you haven't taken the Social Studies 1.02 quiz, please do so. Also, boys and girls, remember on Monday, it is our Unit 1 math test. So if you want to review this weekend, it would be great to review some of those math games I have posted on our homepage, as well as look through the modules. It will cover addition word problems, subtraction word problems, greater than, less than, equal to, adding, subtracting, and missing added. Have a wonderful weekend. Be safe. I will see you on Monday.